Hello D3M users, my name's Adam and welcome back to another D3M tutorial. Today, we're going to go over icon properties and the icon editor feature. To start off, I've pulled out this Teldio Edge gateway onto the topology view in D3M. Now to pull up the icon editor feature, it's as simple as double clicking on the icon and there it is on the right side of my screen. Within the icon editor, I can edit almost everything within the icon. The name, quantity, properties, coding my parts, adding notes, and ports are all accessible through the icon editor. To add and delete and edit properties is very simple and straightforward. To do so, click on Edit in the Properties tab, and then garbage cans appear on the side of your properties for deleting, and entering a property name and add property appears at the bottom to, of course, add a property. Now, for example, if I wanted to delete the password property, all I do is click the garbage can, and then to put it back, I simply type it out and click on Add Property. Clicking on Done at the top of the Properties tab will ensure that I can no longer delete or add any properties. You can also toggle on and off which properties you would like to view in the topology view of D3M. While the Properties tab at the top right of my screen toggles on and off all of the properties for each icon, within the icon editor, you can toggle off individual properties that you do and do not want to see. For example, if I don't want to see the username because it's not important to me, but the other properties are, all I have to do is toggle it off, and now the username has disappeared from the topology view in D3M. Everything else within the icon editor is rather self-explanatory, but also comes with the option to toggle it on and off within the topology view of D3M. For example, if I don't want to see this name Teldio Edge Gateway, all I have to do is toggle it off, and now the name of the icon is gone. That's all there is to editing properties within D3M. Take a look at our channel for more tutorials and make sure you go follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter to stay up to date on all things D3M.